Mel Bowman here, and I'm excited to be sharing with you a limited edition Big Shot machine. This has been designed by Sizzix Lifestyle, and it contains your Big Shot machine, a pair of glitter cutting pads, which are just gorgeous, a platform, a thin die adapter, and then an instruction booklet. So these are going to be available shortly, and if you're in Australia, they'll be in Spotlight stores around March, I think it was, but I'll keep you updated or ask any questions in the comments below if you have any specifics. So as you can see, it's a gorgeous mint color. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm dying to get it out, have a look at it, put it together and have a play. So let's do that together.